As the great Richard Branson once said, "Do not be embarrassed by your failures, learn from them and start again." This potent wisdom reminds us that in the world of business, bumps in the road are not only inevitable but essential. They are the lessons that shape us, the experiences that compel us to grow. Embrace the stumble with grace. Dust yourself off and rise stronger than before. Because in the grand scheme of things, failures are not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Now, let's hear from some of the greatest minds in business and finance. Our first quote comes from Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, who once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." This quote emphasizes the importance of knowledge and understanding in any venture. Buffett suggests that true risk isn't about venturing into the unknown, but rather, it's about stepping into situations without fully understanding them. Knowledge, in this sense, is the antidote to risk. Next we have Steve Jobs, who famously stated, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, was a firm believer in the power of creativity and innovation. He was not one to follow the crowd, but rather, he set the trends that the crowd would eventually follow. This quote is a reminder that true leaders are those who dare to think differently and are not afraid to challenge the status quo. Elon Musk, the tech titan behind innovative companies like SpaceX and Tesla, once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Musk's quote encapsulates the spirit of determination and resilience. It's a lesson in pushing the boundaries of what is possible and having the tenacity to pursue your dreams, regardless of the obstacles that stand in your way. Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook and author of Lean In, provides us with this powerful quote, "Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence." Sandberg's quote emphasizes the role of a leader as a catalyst for growth and improvement. It's about empowering others, not just asserting authority. True leaders inspire, motivate, and leave a lasting impact. Our final quote is from the legendary investor Peter Lynch, who said, "The key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them." Lynch's quote is a reminder that success in investing, like in any other field, requires patience and persistence. It's about having the courage to stay the course, even when the journey gets rough. As you can see, there's a common thread among these successful individuals: perseverance, vision, and the courage to take risks. Each of these quotes is not just a snippet of wisdom, but a testament to the power of these traits. They serve as a reminder that success is not a destination, but a journey. A journey that requires courage, vision, and unwavering perseverance. So, what can we learn from these inspiring words of wisdom? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the pearls of wisdom we've just heard. One of the key themes that resonates through these quotes is the significance of resilience. It's not about avoiding failure, but rather embracing it as part and parcel of the journey to success. After all, every setback is but a setup for a comeback. Then we have vision, a critical component in the business world. Vision isn't merely about seeing what's directly in front of us, but rather visualizing the future we want to create, the legacy we want to leave behind. It's about having that foresight to see beyond the present, to the opportunities that lie ahead. Risk-taking is another vital theme. It's about venturing into the unknown, taking bold steps, even when the path isn't clear. It's about daring to dream, daring to act, and daring to disrupt. And finally, we mustn't forget the importance of continuous learning. In the world of business, the only constant is change. To stay ahead, we must be willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn. We must be flexible and adaptable, always ready to evolve with the times. In essence, these qualities, resilience, vision, risk-taking, and continuous learning, are not just about business success, but also about personal growth and development. In the end, it's not about making the right decisions, but making your decisions right. Just as Elon Musk said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Success doesn't come overnight, and it certainly doesn't come easy. It's a journey filled with challenges, where persistence and learning are your loyal companions. Let the words of the wise ignite your motivation, infuse your journey with unwavering strength, and transform your perspective on failure. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, never lose your spirit. So go out there, face your failures, learn from them, and start again. Remember, the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary.